Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to write a program in Python to find the longest word present in a tuple. So basically, we will be given a tuple having words as elements and we are interested in finding which is the longest word present in them. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, let's quickly move to VS Code. But VS Code is no compulsion. You can choose any IDE of your own personal choice. So let's quickly move to VS Code. So let's have two tuples, which is name1 and name2. And now in Python, we can find the maximum length word with help of an inbuilt function named max. So with help of max, we can directly find which is the longest word. So now let me show you how we can utilize that. So first of all, to get the correct output, let's print it. So to use max function, what we will do is we'll simply write max, and within the parenthesis we will provide the tuple in which we have to check the longest word. So in this, let me write simply name1. So this should give me the longest word present in name1. So let's print it and see it working. Then we will do the same for the second tuple, and boom, here you can see that it's telling that the longest word is this, which is actually correct. Now let's also do the same for the second word present in name2. Let's print it, and boom, here you can see that the longest word present in name1 is this, and that in name2 is this. So this is how we can find what exactly is the longest word present in a tuple of words. Although this was very short, but the usefulness of this is huge as you progress in your programming field. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still, if you have any doubt, or let's say if you want to have some videos on the future basis, then you can put it down in the comment section. We will surely try to cover it up as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.